Hi everyone, my name is Snehal Nerkar. I'm currently working at NCR Corporation. I'm an alumna of Sri Ramdev Baba College of Engineering and Management, Nagpur. First, I would like to give an overview of NCR Corporation. It is an America-based company which specializes in the sector of banking services, hospitality and retail. It was the first to start the cash register. The work environment in NCR Corporation is very dynamic and encouraging. The management is really supporting for the employees, and the main aspect, that is salary. Salary is 7 LPA for the software engineer, which is quite a good start for the career. Now let's talk about how I got into NCR. I came across an off campus hackathon which was conducted on HackerEarth. It was a 2.5-hour duration test which consisted of two stages, that is MCQ of 10 questions and two coding questions. MCQ 10 questions was mainly based on object oriented programming concepts, data structures, and algorithms, and it was not that difficult to answer. It was just the basics. Then comes the coding part. The languages were restricted to C Sharp, C++, and Java. The questions were mainly based on implementation of data structure and algorithms. The questions were like array arrangements and manipulation, and scenario based questions on trees and graphs. If you have practiced enough of your coding skills on online coding platforms like HackerRank, HackerEarth, CodeChef, etc., then you can easily crack this hackathon. After this, I got a email that I am shortlisted after 2-3 months of the hackathon. And now let's talk about the interview. There were 3 rounds of interview. First was technical interview, second was managerial round, and third and last round was HR round. In technical interview, they asked me some up scenario based questions and asked me to write search sort algorithm, which was just the logic, and then they gave me to implement some linear data structures, that is array, linked list. Then they also asked me to solve some logic analytical based questions and guesstimates as well. I would suggest you all to brush up the data structure implementation thoroughly so that you can implement it in whichever language you prefer. Now let's talk about managerial round. In managerial round, I first introduced myself. After that, they asked me about my previous internships. I had much to talk about my previously done 3 internships, and also I had many things to describe about projects which were in my resume. Uh, then they asked a lot of questions in what I did in my final year major projects. After that, at the end of the interview, they gave me some situation based questions. Situational interview questions focuses mainly on how you handle situations which you come across in a workplace. The interview may assess your communication skill, self management skill, and basically your thought process. For example, they gave me a question like, if you are in a meeting and all the people are speaking in a language which you are not familiar with, so how will you handle the situation? How will you know what is going on in a meeting? So this was my question. Now let's move towards HR round. HR round was really short and sweet. They asked me about my hobbies, likes, dislikes, remarkable achievements, my previous internship experiences, and some general HR questions like, where do you see yourself in 5 years, and what do you expect from your workplace, etc. I suggest answer them as genuinely and at the same time as diplomatically as possible. That's it, guys. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel.